This video will be an overview of how to use the copy function. From the home screen, select Copy. If your system is a color system, you can choose between color options including black and white, full color, or auto select. Next, you can select to reduce or enlarge your copies. You can change the quantities of copies or sets of copies as needed. The density can be selected. This includes auto density, manual density, or combining the two. Select Paper Tray. Now select the paper tray needed or use Auto Paper Select. From the two-sided Combine menu, select one-sided, two-sided, or Combine option that you'd like to use. Using the Sort Stack menu, you can choose the Sort, Stack, or neither as required. From the Staple menu, depending on the configuration of your system, you may choose finishing options such as Top 1, Bottom 1, Left 2, Top 2, Center, or Stapleless. Once you've made all your selections, press Start.